Welcome to our lesson about the Curvature Continuous option for fillet creation. Let's begin by activating the Fillet tool. Property Manager opens. Let's use the Face Fillet type. Now let's select our first face, this one here, and our second face, this one here. OK. Let's insert a second fillet now. Select the faces to fillet, this one here, and second face here. Let's scroll down and check the Curvature Continuous option. Notice that when I select this option, the curvature preview changes in the graphic area. Let's click OK and go to the Evaluate tab. Let's activate the Zebra Stripes tool. And let's change the display style to shaded. As you can see, the transition between these faces is much smoother than on this side here. Now let's select the Curvature tool. As you see, the transition between faces is less smooth than the transition on the right-hand side. This concludes our lesson about the Continuous Curvature option for the Fillet tool.